In this lesson, we focus on the words this and that. These words help us point to singular things in English. Understanding when and how to use them properly will improve your everyday communication. The words this and that are called demonstrative pronouns. We use this when something is near the speaker. We use that when something is farther away from the speaker. These pronouns help us show which object or person we are talking about. The word this refers to something close to the speaker. When you want to talk about one thing near you, you say this. It helps others understand exactly which object you mean. The word that refers to something farther away from the speaker. You use that when talking about one thing which is not close to you. This tells the listener the object or person is at a distance. Here are examples to show how to use this and that. You say, look at this book when the book is near you. You say, see that car when the car is far away. These examples make it easier to understand how to use these words. Remember these important points. This is used for something close to you. That is used for something farther from you. Both this and that refer to singular nouns. These words help make your meaning clear when you point out people or things. A common mistake is to use this or that with plural nouns. Instead, use these or those for plurals. Using the correct word will make your English sound natural and clear to others. To summarize, this and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. Use this to point to something close and that to point to something farther away. These words are useful to clearly specify objects or people in conversation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.